Okay, what we're going to try to do is solve this inequality for b. So the first thing I like to do is identify where that inequality symbol is. That kind of splits my statement up into two sides, a left side and a right side. So right here. And the goal is really to get this b all by itself. So the first thing I'm going to do is try to simplify each side. I can't really do anything with 4b plus 1, but I can get rid of those parentheses by distributing. So 3 times 4 groups of b ends up being 12b. 3 times 1 is just plain old 3. And we still have negative 4 less than negative 49. Now the next thing to recognize is that we now have a couple of things on this left side that can be put together. So 3 and negative 4 actually come together, or can be combined to be negative 1. So I've got 12b minus 1 is less than negative 49. At this point, the left side and the right side are each independently simplified. So the only thing left to do is start moving the rest of the constants, or just plain old numbers, to the other side. So negative 1, the inverse, or additive inverse, is positive 1. What that's saying is when I add 1 to negative 1, I end up getting 0. So a lot of people refer to that as just canceling out. I don't need to write that 0 if there's already something else on that side. Negative 49 plus 1 is negative 48. Now the only thing left to do, since I have 12 groups of b, is divide those 12 groups by 12. So I only have one group of b. But of course we know if you do it to one side, you must also do it to the other. And so I'm left with b being less than negative 4. The final step is the graph. So I put an open circle on top of negative 4, and then I have to decide, pick a number from the left or the right. I'm going to pick the right because I find that to be a little bit easier. So I'm going to try 0. Is 0 less than negative 4? No. That means graph it the other direction, away from 0. If it had been true, I would have graphed toward 0.